All right, good afternoon, everybody. Beautiful day to be out and about. And I wanted to take a quick little second, something I don't usually normally do, promoting other things, but these TrailBuddy trekking sticks. Gear for your adventure. I do believe it is gear for my adventure. I have it in my pack. I get it out once in a while when I really need it, like when I'm going through stuff like this, which out here, that's all the time. So they're lightweight for the most part. There is lighter objects out there, but this is really nice. This thing collapses down that far. I can slip this right in my pack. And then when I pull these out, I have marks on mine. They just clip in like that. Open this. I can do this with my gloves in the middle of winter. In the middle of winter, these little carbide tips on the end of them really grip in. These, you slip your hands in from the bottom and then grab onto the handle, slip your hand in from the bottom, grab onto the handle, and you are all set. Make sure your height is right. Sometimes I adjust, sometimes I shorten them up a little bit depending on what I'm doing. If I'm in really tall stuff, I might have them a little bit longer so I can reach down in between and poke down and further down to have a little bit more stability when I'm doing weird things. But I am over 6 foot tall and way over 200 pounds working on that. But these here, I mean, you can see, I mean, I'm putting a lot of weight on these things. I just sunk in the ground there, but I've got a lot of weight on these things. And they're holding up. They're not breaking. I've heard of people breaking these things, but with anything, it is possible to break some stuff. But it comes with a whole bunch of attachments. I am going to leave all of that information in the description, along with a whole bunch of other trekking poles that if you want to look at those, then go, you know, when you're looking for something like this, get what feels right to you. Some people say that the handles aren't very good on this. My big hands fit perfect on them. They feel really good. If they don't feel good in your hands, don't get them. Move on. Try them out first so they don't end up like a misfit toy in your closet. But I do like these TrailBuddy trekking sticks. And I do have a couple other sets. So with that, guys, if you hit the like button and subscribe if you want to hear more. I'm going to start doing a lot more of this. So some of the equipment that I do have in my pack, I'll be going over the stuff I like and the stuff I really don't like. But go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you would, and hit that affiliate link down on the bottom. I do create a little bit of a commission off there. Not a whole lot, but it's enough to keep going. So with that, I will see you guys on the next trip. So with that, take care, stay safe out there.